Welcome everybody and Namaste. Thank you for joining me in this practice. We're going to be practicing a Kriya today, which is converting sexual energy into Ojas. So Ojas is the life force what we're born with, and we can deplete our life force through many different ways. One of the main ways what we deplete our life force, or Ojas, is through a climax, when we release that sexual energy. So the Kriya what we're going to be practicing today is converting the sexual energy back into Ojas and retaining it into the body. So it's a sublimation practice and a transmutation of this energy back into the body, particularly up into the higher chakras. So throughout this practice, or throughout this Kriya, we'll be predominantly focusing on the Savasana chakra, which is just above the genitals. And as we practice this Kriya, when we're pumping the leg, which will become more apparent in a moment, just imagine the energy with each pump of the leg coming further and further up the spine, up towards Ajna chakra, the third eye chakra. So let's crack on with this practice. So we're going to come into a tabletop position. We're going to have the hands directly underneath the shoulders. The head is a natural extension of the spine. Spread the fingers nice and wide and slightly press the mat away from the body to engage the shoulders. Have the knees directly underneath the hips and press the tops of the feet into the mat. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw the right hand out in front of us and have almost a 90-degree angle like this with a clenched fist. And then we're going to kick the left sole of the foot towards the back of the room. You can either point the toes or draw the toes in towards the body. It's entirely up to you. And we're going to inhale, retain the breath, pump the leg 8 times, exhale, and then inhale, retain the breath, pump the leg 8 times, and exhale. And we're going to repeat that cycle 6 times on each side. So we're going to bring the right arm in front, clench the fist, kick the sole of the left foot back, inhale deeply, and pump the leg 8 times. And exhale, and continue this process. Inhale, last time on this side. Exhale, and release the hand and the knee back down towards the mat. Now we're going to go directly onto the opposite side. Inhale and pump the leg 8 times. And imagine the energy pumping up from Savasana chakra. Two more times. Last time. Relax the hand and the knee back down towards the mat and come to sit in a comfortable seated position, cross-legged or on the knees. It's entirely up to you. Whichever way you've chosen, I invite you to softly close the eyes. Now we're just going to go into the awareness phase. Really feel into the body. Feel the sexual energy converting back into Ojas, this life force. The sublimation of this energy, the transmutation, coming back into the body, into the higher chakras. soft vibrations of energy flowing through the body. The expansion of life, the expansion of consciousness and awareness. Subtle vibrations of energy. And softly coming back, I invite you to gently open the eyes in your own time. So guys, yeah, this is a real simple Kriya to convert sexual energy back into Ojas and retain this life force. It's a practice which is so powerful. I suggest that you start off really slow, like we just did, just 6 or 7 times on each side and build it up. Yogi Bhajan says you can practice for a maximum of 11 minutes on each side, so it would be a 22 minutes practice. I would advise after that doing at least a 10-minute Savasana to really feel into the body and feel this power and this energy, the Ojas, coming back up into the higher chakras. It also helps relieve sexual pressure and tension. And if you're in a phase of where you really want to focus your sexual energy in a different way, this is a fantastic Kriya to help do that. If you have any questions, please write in the comments below. Click like and subscribe. I hope this was helpful and beneficial to you. As always, thank you for joining me in this practice. Yoganity loves you, and Sat Nam. Thank you.